Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing Dream by Forever. It's all about finding your essence of success. I love how fresh it makes me feel. This is definitely my new signature scent.
Dream by Forever is more than just a fragrance. It's a celebration of sophistication in every woman. When I wear it, I feel that graceful beauty radiating from within. It's about being authentic, true to myself, and embracing my roles as a daughter, sister, wife, and mother. This deodorant isn't just about staying fresh. It's infused with nourishing aloe vera and crafted from naturally derived ingredients, making it a luxurious choice for everyday wear. With its radiant blend of floral and oriental notes, Dream by Forever lasts up to 9 hours, keeping me confident and inspired throughout the day. It's for the dreamers, the achievers, and those of us who shine in our own unique ways. Every spritz reminds me to dream big and embrace my journey. This is the fragrance that embodies who I am, sophisticated, accomplished, and always ready to inspire.